Dear student, today we do not discuss any microorganism or about the microorganism, lecture about the any microorganism, but only presenting this 4 pages of sketch to you, which summarize different microorganism and their specific diseases. Is the heading enlisted here, and the name of the microorganism and the mechanism of diseases which they are producing. Like first sketch shows you food poisoning or food poisoning causing organism which causes food poisoning. Enlist A, toxin mediated, B, non-toxin mediated. Second heading is the wound infection causing organisms. So there is the list of the microorganism: aerobes, anaerobes, gram positive, gram negative bacilli, and the cocci. Majority of them are the rods. That second page shows to you UTI causing agents or organisms, urinary tract infection causing agents. So this is the list, and you see the major cause we have discussed with you in the previous lecture. That's the E. coli. 60 to 80% of the urinary tract infection is due to this E. coli gram negative rod. Third one, this is also the most important topic, meningitis. Sometime examiner asks in the paper, enlist the microorganism which causing meningitis. So if you see, so there is a list of pyogenic meningitis. Second, child which suffer from the meningitis, it's mean age between 2 to 14 years. And third one, that is the adult. And the last one is the chronic meningitis. The microorganism is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So you can enlist this microorganism if they ask in the paper. The fourth one is pneumonia causing agents. So common and uncommon organism, they are listed in this chapter. The fifth one is the sepsis producing or the septicemia or bacteremia producing microorganism. So that is about the 11 or 12 microorganism which shows you, and they are bacteremia or sepsis producing microorganism. This last page show you septicemia, blood poisoning microorganism, and the sepsis presence in blood or other tissue of the bacteria are their toxins. So remember, this 4 pages shows to you the causative organism, but they include not the parasite as well as the viruses. Now we said to you that the bacteria, but I see the charts. So these tables also include bacteria as well as viruses and also the fungi. Whenever they ask in the paper the word organisms, it's mean that you should be mentioned bacteria, viruses, and parasite. But sometimes they only said write down the pyogenic bacteria. So you only mention the bacteria. If they ask parasite, so you mention the parasite. If they say to you that mention the viruses, so you mention the viruses. But majority of the question they are like this, as for example, write down the food poisoning bacteria or the food poisoning organisms. If they ask bacteria, so write down the bacteria. If the organism, so the organisms. So this is 4 chart, and for your convenience that if they ask in the examination, so you can be restrict this thing. Thank you very much.